We all know that flying carry-on only is going to save you time and money at the airport, but it isn't always easy. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my top tips and hacks that I've accumulated from over 100 successful carry-on only flights. If you're new here, my name's Megan, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Put your shoes into a shower cap with the sole side down, and then stuff your shoes with smaller items. I put my bikinis in a bag inside the shoe to keep things smelling fresh. Breakables go inside of your socks for extra padding, and then I take these socks and I put them in the cups of my bra to maintain the shape. Ladies, you can also just stack your bras. And for those necklaces that you're carrying, take a piece of saran wrap, put your necklace down in it, put another piece of saran wrap on top, and you're going to prevent any tangles. Or my personal favorite, string any dainty necklaces through a straw and then clasp it back up. Put a cotton pad inside the compact makeup and then close it back up to prevent any crumbling or cracking. Gentlemen, don't think I forgot about you. Take your belts and then roll them into the collars of your shirts to maintain their shape. And on the topic of rolling, guys, roll everything. There's a great video by BuzzFeed, I'll put the link below, that shows you the art of rolling for travel, and it is life-changing. Once everything is rolled, I hope you're on the packing cube game. If you're not, put it inside a packing cube. It's going to keep everything organized and very compact for you to find when you arrive. Use a glasses case for hard case storage. Think makeup brushes, eyeliner, USB sticks. Also use those pill organizers to keep your rings and your earrings all separated. You can take any old prescription pill bottles too, clean them out, and then add in creams in there, Q-tips, bobby pins, smaller items like that, or an empty mint container for rush. Use a collapsible water bottle so it's not taking up any valuable luggage space when it's actually empty and no use to you. We interrupt this episode for a quick liquids overview. All liquids must be placed in a resealable plastic bag, and the entire contents of the bag can't be more than 1 liter. Every individual container inside of this bag needs to be 100 milliliters or less. This means that if you have sunscreen that's in a 120 milliliter bottle, but there's only this much left in it, they probably won't let you take it with you. Your liquids are going to include things like your toothpaste and your hair gel. Prescriptions are excluded from your 1 liter total, and anything that you buy after you go through the security gate, so any food, any liquids, any alcohol, any creams, you can carry them onto the plane completely free. They don't accumulate into your 1 liter maximum. Don't go overboard. Some airlines may have restrictions. I use GoTube containers for things like shampoo and conditioner because they're the proper size, and then once they're empty, they squeeze down into nothing and won't be taking up valuable luggage space. If you are going to a hotel, keep in mind they will provide you with shampoo and conditioner, and you don't need to pack it. I also try to replace my liquids with solid forms of the same substance anywhere I can. For example, my face wash is a bar, and same with my body wash. For perfume and travel size bottles, I usually go to places like the Body Shop or Sephora, and I ask them for free samples. Then you have a tiny little bit of it that is probably going to be just perfect for your vacation. With any liquid bottles, put the bottle and then a piece of saran wrap and then the lid on top, so you're not going to have anything spilling when this cabin pressure changes in the air. And if you want something with you for your flight, but you don't want to have to be taking the entire bottle inside of your purse, use a contact lens container and just put the little bits that you need when you want to freshen up before landing. It's nice to feel extra luxurious when you land too. So I browsed through the duty free and I used their free samples. This is up to you. I know there's some debate on how old these products are and what you should be putting on your face and not. I do it. I always wash my hands first. I make sure my face is clean, and I only use the bottles that are the pump ones as opposed to any that people have stuck their fingers into. Anything you can make electronic, do it. I use my Kindle, which saves my life instead of having to bring physical books with me. Also, empty out your entire wallet and put your loyalty card onto a free app like Stowcard. It's going to put all of them onto your phone for you. When it comes to actually packing your suitcase, put the bigger stuff in first and then use all of your smaller things like your underwear and little containers to fill all of the gaps at the end. Put the heavy stuff near the wheels because gravity, and you want the heavy stuff where, the butt. You guys get it. I also take a dryer sheet and just throw it in with all of my luggage. Invest in a luggage scale. I had a comment on one of my last videos, shout out to Carolina, who actually had to pay over $360 to check 2 bags for Norwegian flights because her bag was overweight. If you can weigh it before, you can save yourself hundreds, I'm not kidding, hundreds of dollars at the airport. Get a luggage scale. This video is focused on how to pack, not actually what to pack with you. So I don't want to be too basic here, but definitely wear your heaviest items, your heaviest shoes. If you have a towel, even take it and wear it around your neck underneath your jacket. It's sneaky. And then when you get on the plane, you can also repurpose it as a headrest. Okay, ready? Do. Like this, like this, like this. Genius! For more tips just like this, definitely subscribe to the channel. I also think you'll love my Instagram highlight that has all the travel hacks I'm completely obsessed with and just kind of flips through them. If you have a carry-on hack that you'd like to add, let everyone know in the comments below. And until next week, happy travels. Bye. That was exhausting, but also super fun. I think hack videos are my favorite ones to make at this point, so definitely hit that subscribe button. I think it's in this corner. The one with my face looking way too professional. Hit that, and I'll see you next week.